Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Pediatric Symptom Checklist. What is a Pediatric Symptom Checklist? Pediatric emotional and physical health are two essential parts of childhood development. Children who are emotionally healthy can cope better with the challenges of growing up and developing into adults. This checklist includes recognizing and understanding their feelings, forming positive relationships, managing stress, and problem solving. Healthcare professionals use the Pediatric Symptom Checklist, or the PSC, to help them assess children's physical and emotional health to provide the most effective treatments. The total score can be determined by assigning 0, 1, or 2 points to each of its 35 items. A score of 28 or higher is considered at risk and indicates that further assessment is needed. Practitioners can identify potential triggers of mental health issues, understand symptoms more closely, and monitor changes over time. Naturally, practitioners can also track the effectiveness of interventions used and make any necessary adjustments if needed. As a result, it's commonly used by doctors, specifically pediatricians. Here's how to use the Pediatric Symptom Checklist. The first step is to fill in the client information and then read the instructions. You'll then need to assess the client and tick statements accordingly. The final step is to tally the scores at the bottom, which can then be used within the intervention. To view a sample form of the Pediatric Symptom Checklist, visit carepatron.com where you can download and access the checklist for free. You can also access the checklist through the Carepatron community platform. It's really simple and all you have to do is type in the keywords and then you can edit the note however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare related videos.